Masks are saviors. So let me start this video straight. Masks became a global necessity ever after a bloody bat wrote a death letter for us. Back when we still had a privilege to mingle out of our houses freely, masks were very rare. As censored virus was spreading its arms and legs around the world, people were obliged to possess masks no matter what. This led to rise of cloth mask. Even when WHO cleared that N95 mask was the real way to prevent the spread, we still depended over cloth masks because they were cheap and available. Unfortunately, it wasn't the correct direction towards safety as these masks had many problems. First, they had opening in the nose and the cheek areas. Their filtering capacity was like comedy in current saturated sitcoms of our country. Obvious joke is obvious. They were easily hoarded and fake masks were everywhere in our towns. Yes, it is hard to believe, but yeah, there was a time where fake masks were everywhere. This led to the rise of N95 mask. Before pandemic, only a handful number of people and Delhi citizens used this N95 mask. N95 masks were perfect when it comes to virus spread prevention. So you may wonder what makes N95 mask better than a cloth mask. Well, there is a very great video by Minute Physics that explains this concept better, but in a brief nutshell. There is an electrospun polymer which attracts all the particles of size 3 microns or less. So a virus gets stuck to the fiber and your medical insurance is not going to perish. Haha. Story of N95 mask is also something that I want to cover. Back when the pandemic was initially spreading its roots, citizens used a single mask for several times. And some were sanitized by huge UV lasers. Wow. Later some scientists started scratching their heads and so created the first reusable mask. But those masks were valve masks. It wasn't efficient. Actually, the reason why valve masks were quickly than ever cancelled was because they were good for filtering pollutants like PM 2.5 but not pesky viruses. So while censored virus was enjoying its beautiful, luxurious world tour, our population was under forced lockdown, thereby giving huge companies and scientists the time they definitely required to find a solution. Alas, we weren't capable of making a complete solution, but at least some effective progress is visible. Now, see, if you're a citizen, your chance of encountering a virus-prone area was quite low to those doctors and nurses in hospital. So as a citizen, if you reuse your N95 mask for weeks, your chances of perishing were quite low as this guy becoming a journalist. Quite low. Demerits of N95 mask are still prevalent now. So first of all, N95 masks were very costly. The reason why we took so much time in order to adopt this wonder is because it was very expensive. A mask in the beginning of the pandemic was somewhere around 300 rupees per piece. Then it slowly reduced to 250, then 100, and now a low grade N95 cost around 80 rupees per piece. But adding to the discomfort to the user is that it costs less, but it is still one-time use for the medical workers. Not for the general public. General public can still use them like for a brief period, but not medical workers. Medical workers were still in danger because of this. Now, these masks were very sensitive to humidity and also got funguses growing over it very easily. And with the time, their efficiency also reduced, like their price. Now, our doctors were still in danger, and as the number multiplied, doctors, nurses, and police officers received a prestigious present from our utensils in the form of high quality face shields. This again led to the rise of cloth masks. Now, Humans are actually very intelligent beings. Months into the pandemic, our oversaturated intellects finally came up with a solution that actually seems to work. Since N95 are still expensive now and very vulnerable to funguses, we came up with exciting discoveries of good cloth mask. Now the cloth mask manufacturers are slowly yet steadily evolving to enhance the efficiency of cloth masks. These masks are still not fit for the doctors and the nurses, completely surrounded by the censored virus all the time, but very good for the public use. These masks have multiple layers of fine cloth which can be washed and reused for weeks. Most of the cloth masks which were there in the market earlier were some rough piece of fabric which held moisture but barely helped in prevention of disease. But now majority of cloth masks have a special piece of fabric called SSMMS or spun melt fabrics. These are some of the most advanced fabric that prohibits the infiltration of virus and keep your lungs safe and sound. Now, even though we aren't ready with some 100% foolproof, cost-effective way of staying a step ahead of virus, we still have traveled a long journey, where as a humans our adaptive qualities were tested and we always tackled the demerits. Hope you watch this video when censored virus is either getting defeated or we are completely liberated from that pesky virus. Stay safe, stay healthy.